Meaning of Dutch door.
Dutch door.
Dutch door.
Dutch door.
Dutch door. A Dutch door is a type of door that is divided horizontally into two separate parts, allowing the top half to be opened independently of the bottom half. This design dates back to the 17th century in the Netherlands, where it was commonly used in farmhouses to keep animals out while allowing fresh air and sunlight to enter. Today, Dutch doors are still popular in homes and businesses, particularly in areas with mild climates, as they provide a charming and functional way to enjoy the outdoors while maintaining some degree of privacy and security.